Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the brand new Hassad Pneumatic Impact Wrench. It's the 1912M. Extra short, 3.15 inches. Yeah. The release torque is 885 feet-pound and the square is 0.49 inches. This is a half inch. The operation pressure can be 90 psi and it comes in a compact design. Ultra compact design, optimized for working in convenient spaces as well as more efficient exhaust airflow through the handle downwards and improved response torque of the air motors. And the low vibration impact wrench with a cold insulated handle impresses with the simple one-handed operation for right and left-handers. It's suited for longer work at a time. The air wrench with a jumbo hammer impact mechanism has a maximum release torque of 85.43 feet-pound and uses a square of an half-inch drive with a quiet sound power of a level of 103 decibel. And of course, Hassad quality. This is one of the leading manufacturers of quality tools for professional use in Germany and has more than 155 years of experience in development and production. And that brings us such an impact wrench. It's a socket wrench power tool designed to deliver high torque output with a minimal exposure by the user. By storing energy in a rotating mass, then delivering it suddenly to the output shaft. In operation, a rotation mass is accelerated by the motor storing the energies and suddenly connected to the output shaft. It's the anvil. This creating a high torque impact. Compressed air is, of course, the most common power source, which we are going to use here, too. The impact wrenches are widely used in many industries, such as automotive repair, heavy equipment maintenance, product assembly, major construction projects, and any other instant where a high torque output is needed. For product assembly, a pulse tool is commonly used, as it features a actionless tightening while reducing the noise level that regular impacts suffer from. The pulse tools use oil as a medium to transfer the kinetic energy from the hammer into the anvil. Here, this is for compressed air use. So you come with your compressed air and get this into position. Then you can pull the trigger and it will start immediately, as you can see. You can switch between settings 1, 2, 3 and so on. And of course you can easy peasy go from left to right-handed model use. That's easy because it is an only one-hand design, which brings us the 1.5 impact wrench, extra short with 1100 Newton meter. The losing torque maximum 1100 Newton meter and half-inch square, solid, single hammer string mechanism, all here. Loosened torque maximum is really big, extremely compact construction and able to work in areas with restricted access. We have a one-hand operation for right and left-handed operators. Access air guides through the handle downwards, really cool, and it reduces the vibration and an easy handling, of course. It's extra short, it's only 92 millimeter, so you can have a good job with that Hassad product here. This brings us the Hassad Pneumatic Impact Wrench 1912M. Extra short, baby. Thanks for watching and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.